I really like those.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mother, for my slippers. So instead of doing an apartment tour, because my apartment is rather unfinished, I decided to do a living room tour instead, because this is the area that seems to feel most complete. And so I thought I'd take you around, show you my living room, how I set it up, and where each and every single little thing is from. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see my living room, then just keep watching. We're gonna start with this wall here first because it's my favorite wall and it's also the most recent wall that has been completed. This, until a couple of weeks ago, sat empty for 6 months with my raggedy piano sitting up against it, and now it has things and I'm so excited and it's beautiful. So first, the paintings. These were actually in the sale section at CB2, which was unreal. I think they were like 70% off, and they just, they're called ants on a log, and I don't know where they get that from because I do not see any ants or any logs on here, but I love the look of them. They have the gold detail. It kind of just goes with the rest of the theme of my place, so I feel that. So then this console table, it was not a planned purchase. I was actually going to West Elm to buy, I don't remember, I think I was just getting a plant, but then it was one of their floor models that was on sale. So this was originally, I think $1,300 or $1,400, and I got it for $500 as a floor model, and it's incredible. It fits so much stuff in here. Like I have all the board games in here, and then I keep extra candles and things, and you know, giveaway boxes in there. And as far as the top decor goes, I vlogged this entire thing. You guys saw my fail at creating a bar, what's it called? A bar cart. I tried making a bar cart tray and I failed, but you know, ended up with this thing. A collection of alcoholic beverages sit here for decor purposes only. The tray itself I got from a store called The Cross in Yaletown. These little vases, actually the green one's from Ikea and the rest of the vases are from CB2. And then I just put some little lavender sprigs and things in it to give it some greenery. Then I've got a salt lamp here, which I never turn on, it's not even plugged in. It's simply there for decor, but I got that at HomeSense. And then there's just some books turned backwards, which was quite a decor revelation for me, turning books backwards. Looks cool. This little plant I got from a store called Figaro's. And yeah, that is the console table wall. So moving on from this wall to this wall over here. We're gonna skip past the bathroom because that's where the secret magic happens. You know what I'm saying? This giant shelf is my pride and joy, the absolute love of my furniture life. It's from CB2. I don't know what it's called, but I'll link it in the description box down below. And Samantha Rovendal, Miss Angel Sam, she helped me to decorate this. We went and spent a day. It's also vlogged, but if you want to see how the decor of this shelf went down, I'll link that video down below. But basically there's just a whole bunch of random knickknacks and doodads and photos. Look at this. That was me and Dech at New Year's, and they're really cute, and I love these photos. And my mom gave me these little holders for the Polaroid pictures for Christmas, and yeah. So I'm just gonna really quickly spit out where every single thing on this shelf is from, and we're gonna start from the bottom. Started from the bottom over here. Actually, let's start here, this corner. These two vases were from a store called Parliament here in Vancouver. Beautiful. Sam's choice here. We put some lavender in to spruce it up. This painting my mom made for me. It's of Meryl. Mama, thank you so much. It's so cute. This is a little vase from Rebecca Ramsdale, Sweet Angel. This is my Happy Plugs speaker. It's fantastic. Looks like marble, and there's some spilled poop or something on there that I don't know how to get rid of, but it's an awesome speaker, and that lives here. And on to the next shelf. This little water spritzer is from the plant store called Figaro's. These little bookends. They're from West Elm. Got some pretty pink and thing books in here. This is a West Elm candle, and these two pieces are from Parliament in Gastown as well. On to the next. These two vases here are from, oh no, I lied. This one's from West Elm. This is CB2. This is Ikea. The little green ones came in a pack of 3 from Ikea. These actually are some more Polaroids from New Year's, and this little picture holder was actually in a PR package, so thanks Anastasia Beverly Hills. Some more, you know, coffee table style books here. There's a clump of sage. I'm probably never gonna burn it, but I like the smell. Everyone else says it smells like Grandpa's. Oh, I just realized the price tag is still on that. Whoops. nope, all right, it's gonna stay there. I think it smells like Moscow mules, so yeah. This little cubicle thing was from Urban Outfitters. Some little air plants in there, and then I put some rose quartz. I stuffed those underneath because I thought it looked cool. And Carrie said that they help my chakras or something like that. Thanks, Carrie. On to the next shelf. Here's a collection of photos. There's Sam and I in Vietnam, Talene and I, our girls trip to Cabo, and then, you know, as you already saw, our cute little couple pics from New Year's. That's cute. I have no idea where I got this random crystal. I think it must have been HomeSense or something. This was an already put together plant piece from Parliament. There's a Rupi Kaur book here, and then this is, I believe, if I remember correctly, I probably don't, it was Spanish moss. I called it my horsetail, and this was from Figaro's here in Vancouver as well. I think this is my favorite little piece. This or this. Love those a lot. Up here, these two gold pieces I got from CB2. This was the third piece in the Ikea trio. This vine, I don't even remember where I got it, but this cement bowl was actually part of a flower delivery when I moved in. It was a gift from Kyla and Smashbox, so thanks for that, guys. And at the very top, those two baskets are from Parliament, and they just look cool and tribal, and nothing's in them. They're completely useless up there, but they look cool. So yeah, that's the shelf. Ain't she pretty? If anyone wants to know, I'm going to link Samantha Ravindal down below, and you can hire her for your home decor services. Let's move on to Fred. Fred, my sweet angel. This is my firstborn child here, sweet Fred. If you guys remember my old apartment from Vancouver, he has been with me since, and he's grown so big and tall. He's grown so big, we actually just tied a string around him today to keep him alive. But Fred is a bird of paradise plant. I've never seen any bird or flower from him, but you know, he's growing tall and beautiful, and I love Fred so much. The planter's from West Elm. And then this is a snake plant. I think I got it at a store called Grow, which no longer exists anymore, which is very sad. But it's a snake plant, and it came with the pot, so that's that. I'm still wanting something to hold it, but I don't mind them just kind of sitting next to each other as it is now. And then next to Fred, these are my poofs that Meryl has so kindly destroyed. These are her scratching posts. These are floor cushions from CB2. They're made from straw, but they're actually like a lot more soft than they look, which is nice. And I kind of just, you know, throw them around as they go. And that's where we sit and sit on things. So yeah, good. So this mirror is from HomeSense. And then moving on to the rest of the living room. Welcome to the coffee tableau. Tableau means table. So this coffee table, another purchase from West Elm. Might I also add, when you're buying things at West Elm, they always have 30% off days, so wait for those. They're beautiful. This little gold tray was another Samantha Ravindal inspired purchase. It's from Parliament in Gastown. Got a Cats of Instagram book here, some coasters from Anthropology, because this thing, marble baloney, turns colors. You have to use coasters with it. Yeah, another bundle of sage, aka my Moscow Mule Dream. And these two little planters and cacti were actually purchased at West Elm as well. They already had them set up. I bought them as is. And I thought they were really cute. And yeah, this is the coffee table. And because I actually don't have a dining room table or anything, this is where we eat all of the meals. I push it aside and eat breakfast here and stuff. So yeah, that's the coffee table. Now this rug is also from West Elm, and it's the most squishy, soft, wonderful, comfortable thing I've ever sat on. But it literally sheds more than me, Dan, and Meryl combined. And I don't know if that's ever gonna stop, so warning, that this happens. Yeah, okay, all right. Moving on to the couch. This couch was a purchase from a store that also no longer exists. It was across from Science World here in Vancouver, and it was a random little thing. They were having a clear out sale because they were shutting down, and that's where I got this couch, and that's all I can tell you about it. But the pillows, okay, this one's from the latest Scoop here in Vancouver. This one, Sheila, is from West Elm, and this one, this was from CB2. Then this was an Anthropology purchase, and then this big throw blanket was also from Anthropology, and it was my housewarming gift from Jamie Page. So thank you so much, Jamie Page. It's beautiful. There are a lot of creamy colors going on here, but I kind of like it, and they're just cozy, and I like to just sit like this. Where's Meryl? Moving on to the side. I don't know where it's from. It's a plant. It's a fern. It is a type of fern. That's it. That's all I know. This was my cousin's old roommate, Vanessa, had this, and she was trying to get rid of it when she was moving, and I paid her 20 bucks for it, I think. Actually, Ginny paid her 20 bucks for it, so Ginny, cheers. Thank you for this. Got some blankets in here. This little basket is also from the latest scoop, I believe, and it carries, you know, cozy, fuzzy blankets. And then the other side, I'm very proud of this side and also this purchase, because this little side marble table I got for $10 off of Kijiji because it was broken and some old lady was selling it and it was perfect. More Anthropologie coasters. I've got my Sage Aroma oil diffuser and the little, you know, thingies here. My favorite one is After the Rain. That's my favorite diffuser scent. It smells delicious. So, and that's it. That is my living room, folks. Goodbye. So that is everything, folks. That is the full tour of my living room. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Anything that I'm able to link in the description box down below that I have talked about, I will do so. And yeah, I hope this gave you a nice, full, intensive glimpse into the home. And let me know if you guys want to see me do this for my office or my bedroom coming up. Yeah, so that's it for this video, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed me and the living room. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! Bye!